what I see a aspirant to a IWSP taking away from IWSP, his experience at IWSP, or his expectation of IWSP, is to get to an environment where he or she feels that their potential, whatever it is actually enhanced by the interactions they have with their fellow students as well as faculty. It is not a one size fits all, and where there is a process driven learning where everybody is matched to the same standard, but each one takes their own strengths and works on their own weaknesses, and that is identified by themselves in the way in which the learning is imparted, such that they say, hey, I can do this. I don't have to, I learn in my own way and assimilate that learning, and I define success for myself rather than success being designed for me or defined for me by somebody else, who's setting, standards. Obviously, we'll need to have, a grading system or.
Yeah.
Business school is competitive. Business school is tough. Everybody wants to, leave business school with their prospects enhanced. I think what we are going to add is all those three things are given. We're also going to make it, a period which is fun, something they will remember for not only the educational content thereof, but in the interactions they've had, the learning which has been done differently, the fact that they can say that when they left the educational institution, the faculty acknowledged that they learned as much from the students as the students learned from them. I think all of these will enable a student going through this process to say that their experience of business school was a lot different from that of somebody who's learned it through the traditional system.